Boy, how to handle those unwanted offers on your home. Some people consider it the ultimate power move. Ignore the offer, and perhaps in some stroke of genius, the buyer will suddenly double their bid just to get noticed. It's the sweet symphony of silent real estate warfare. So today's question is, if I receive an offer that I don't like, should I ignore it? All right, well, then here we go. And by the way, welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And today's secret is all about whether to express our disdain for a pitiful attempt at offering on our house. And today's question is from Kim. If I receive an offer that I don't like, should I ignore it? Well, here's the rule of thumb. If you have more than one offer on your home, you could ignore any offer that you don't like. But if you only have one or two offers, and if you don't like a price, at least negotiate by submitting a counteroffer. If you don't, you'll never know what price the buyer was actually willing to pay. And the objective is to get your home sold. You are wanting the highest price, and the buyer wants the lowest price. And most often, the seller and buyer meet somewhere in the middle, even if negotiations go on for days and you feel like you're being ghosted. Now, I wouldn't get into all the game playing that we see on reality TV shows. Any negotiation, just like any communication, is a ping pong game. They started with a ping, and we want to pong it back to them. The buyer submit an offer, and if you don't like it, then ping ponging it back to them with the price you're willing to settle on. They may or may not ping pong it back again, but you've got to get the game going to see what their bottom line is. I think the most I've seen in my own career was 7 times that the buyer and seller went back and forth. Just keep in mind that as long as you're caught up in counteroffers, and it doesn't matter whether you're the buyer or seller, as long as you're counteroffering, the other party may suddenly go in a different direction, and you could be left with nothing. While I love a hearty negotiation, I don't encourage a continual game of ping pong. As you try and find the bottom line, you might get left out in the cold. Well, that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your answers our questions. My name is Remy, like Do Re Mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about the escrow process, what repairs to do before selling your home, or what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more Do-Re-Mi in your pocket when you sell your home, we are standing by. Simply leave a question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. We look forward to chatting with you soon, and thank you for clicking on that subscribe button below the video.